Biology, Unit 7, Menopause. Okay, it's a small unit. I will be taking in a quick manner. Okay, so menopause, we already discussed what is menarche, what is menopause. Menopause, as a definition, we can say it as cessation or stoppage of menses for more than 6 months to 1 year. Okay, more than 6 months to 1 year, a person is not having menstrual cycle. Okay, that person will be having a menopause. We can define it as a menopause. Now, what can be the causes of menopause? Okay, genetic cause, hereditary. Okay, dietary habits, eating junk foods. Okay, using in food and all, using extra masalas and all, smoking and drinking, obesity is one of the cause. Then climate change also. So if the person is from India and he is going to another country, their climate, to get adjust, they will be having certain problems. So for 6 months to 4 to 5 6 months and all, they won't be having menstrual cycle. But once their body is adjusted to the climate, they will be having regular menstrual cycle. Then that was the causes of menopause. Then we are going to deal about the signs and symptoms. See, menopause occurs due to any of the hormonal deficiency also, like estrogen, progesterone and all. This is a hormone which girls usually have, females usually have, right? So the estrogen deficiency symptoms will be there for the patient, such as certain skin patches will be there for the patient. They look very depressed. Okay, very irritated mood will be there for them. Okay, and they don't accept other people's, like silly problem, mistakes and all, they don't accept it. Okay, that type of mood disturbances will be there for them. Urinary frequency, urinary urgency, dyspareunia, insomnia. Okay, vaginal irritation, fungal infections will be there for the patient. Obesity will be there. Skin thickening will be there for the patient, especially in the face. Okay, then osteoporosis, it's a ortho disease. Then their breast size will be decreasing. Okay, so this were the signs and symptoms of menopause. Other signs and symptoms, like if certain due to any side effects of any drugs, if they are having menopause, that can be affecting the ureter, urethra, bladder, vagina and all. Okay, so that atropic changes means anatomically their size will decrease. Okay, so that are the signs and symptoms of menopause. What is the diagnostic evaluation? See, we will have a thorough physical examination, history collection. In history collection, mainly menstrual history collections will be there for the patient. Okay, then per vaginal examination, we will see whether how is the itching and all. Okay, through observation we will be seeing that. Then in blood test, we will be checking their follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, if that is more than 40 international unit, means that person is undergoing, or a person is having menopause. It's a confirmed diagnosis. Fine. Then that was about the diagnosis. Then we are going to deal about the treatment. So in signs and symptoms, we discussed about osteoporosis. So it's a calcium deficiency, right? So calcium supplements we have to give for the patient. Okay, then physical exercises, yoga. Okay, for the patient, so that the patient's obesity, that fatness should reduce, cholesterol should go, fatty foods should be avoided, personal hygiene should be taken care, their underwears and all should be washed and should be dried in sun, and personal hygiene should be done. Okay, cleaning and regular UTI should not happen for the patient. Okay, diet control should be there, junk food should be avoided, smoking and drinking is also a cause, so we have to stop smoking and drinking also. Then surgery, what we can do is, like if it is secondary to some other diseases, what we do is, like we will remove the uterus, that is hysterectomy, which we will be discussing in the next class detailedly, because it's a very as per your syllabus, for hysterectomy it is asking for a long thing, so we will be discussing in the next unit. Then in that unit, one more thing is like hormone replacement treatment, that also I will be taking with hysterectomy. Okay, then in that unit, one pending is there, health education and counseling, that I am giving you as an assignment. Okay, health education and counseling for a menopause patient. Okay, that you can write it neatly in a A4 sheet paper and keep it with you. Once I am coming there, you have to submit it to me. Fine. So today we discussed about menopause, unit 7. And in the unit 7, two things are pending. One is surgery of menopause, that is hysterectomy. The other one is hormone replacement therapy, which I will be taking in the next class. Okay. So today we discussed about the definition. Cessation of menses more than 6 months to 1 year is known as menopause. The causes, signs and symptoms, diagnosis and treatment. Okay. Fine. Take care. Bye.